I hate cooking, and so I'm making a guacamole avocado sandwich today for breakfast. For this, we need the ingredients seen here. Take out the pulp from the avocado, cut the chilies, onions, tomatoes into small pieces, add them into the avocado pulp, squeeze a bit of lemon, add a pinch of salt, then slowly mix it well. After you mix it for a few seconds, get ready to make the toast. Put the bread slices into the toaster. Wait for a few seconds. Once the bread is ready, put it on a plate and spread the guacamole mix onto it. This is a very healthy breakfast filled with proteins and vitamins, and it is interesting to eat the crispy bread along with the soft mix of avocado. That's how I made the breakfast very fast today. Healthy, protein rich breakfast.